Hello everyone, this is Mula Venkata Kondareddy, and today we are going to explore Microsoft Azure Storage, a secure, scalable, and intelligent cloud storage solution for modern applications and enterprise workloads. Let's begin from the center of the architecture. At the core, we have the Azure Storage account, which provides a unique namespace for all your data services. Think of it like your personal storage boundary in the cloud. Every blob, file, table, or queue you create lives inside this storage account. Azure Storage is designed to handle both unstructured data and structured data. On the left side, we see unstructured data types such as documents, images, audio files, video files, log files, and media objects. These are stored using Azure Blob Storage and Azure File Storage. Blob storage is optimized for massive unstructured objects. It's commonly used for videos, backups, media streaming, logs, and large files. Inside blob storage, we organize data using containers, which are like folders. And inside those containers, we store blobs, the actual files. This is perfect for cloud-native .NET APIs, mobile apps, or web apps that upload media or documents. Next is Azure File Storage, which offers a fully managed SMB file share system. This allows traditional or legacy applications and virtual machines to mount a shared folder from the cloud, just like a local network drive. It supports multiple app servers accessing the same files simultaneously. This makes it ideal for businesses that still rely on shared drives or need centralized file access across servers. Now let's move to the bottom center, where modern applications and enterprise workloads are shown. Azure Storage supports everything from small apps to mission-critical distributed systems. Whether you're building ASP.NET Core APIs, microservices, CQRS systems, or background workers, Azure Storage provides the backbone for your data and messaging needs. On the right side, we see key features and benefits, starting with security and compliance. Azure protects your data using 256-bit AES encryption, both at rest and in transit. It integrates tightly with Azure Active Directory for identity-based access control, allowing role-based permissions instead of sharing storage keys everywhere. This ensures only authorized users and services can access the data. Another major highlight is HTTPS access, and global reach. Azure Storage allows secure access over the Internet using REST APIs, SDKs, or browser URLs, enabling worldwide availability of your content. This means your data can be accessed by users across different regions with low latency when combined with CDN or replication. Speaking of replication, Azure provides 11 nines durability, which means 99.999999999% data durability. This is achieved using built-in redundancy options like LRS, locally redundant storage, within a single region, ZRS, zone redundant storage, across availability zones, GRS/RAGRS, geo-redundant storage, across paired regions. This protects data from hardware failures, zone outages, and even regional disasters. Next is structured and messaging data support, shown in the bottom left area. Here we have Table Storage and Queue Storage. Azure Table Storage is a NoSQL key value store used for fast lookup of structured records. It stores data like user metadata, product catalogs, device information, logs in structured form, or any schemaless table data. It's extremely fast and cost-efficient for key-based queries. Queue Storage is a messaging queue used to store background tasks reliably. It decouples your system so upload services don't wait for processing services. For example, if a video is uploaded, a message like generate thumbnail can be added to a queue, and a worker service can pick it up later. This improves reliability, scalability, and fault tolerance. Now let's talk about scalability and management. Azure Storage automatically scales based on demand. You don't need to provision servers or manage disks. It also supports hot, cool, and archive storage tiers, helping you optimize cost based on how frequently data is accessed. Finally, we have consumption-based billing. You pay only for what you use. This prevents overinvestment in infrastructure and helps you run systems efficiently at scale. To summarize, use blob storage for large unstructured objects, use file storage for shared drives and legacy app mounts, use tables for NoSQL structured data, use queues for background task messaging, secure everything using encryption and Azure AD, and scale without managing physical infrastructure. That's the power of Azure Storage. Secure, durable, global, scalable, and cost-efficient. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more cloud and .NET architecture insights.